So hello everybody, this is Dr. Sethi, kidney transplant surgery from Max Hospital. Today we are discussing about the methods to take care of your kidney, and in the long run there's some medical procedures like dialysis and renal transplant. So before we go there, just to give you the severity, the idea of the severity of the disease, about 2 lakh people in India are suffering from kidney diseases every year who require either dialysis or transplant, and only 5,000 of those people are really getting transplant. Rest 1,95,000 to 2 lakh people, they are either on dialysis or not on dialysis, and out of those about 40,000 to 50,000 every year die for the demand of dialysis or for the demand of transplant. Just to give you an idea, the most common diseases that are causing causing harm to your kidney are diabetes and hypertension, and precisely about 60% of the kidneys which are being damaged are because of sugar and BP, and out of those 40 are being affected by the sugar, 20 are being affected by the BP. With very few simple methods, we can take care of both the sugar and BP. Just exercise for 30 minutes a day, take fat-free and diet-rich, fiber-rich diet, and take your medications as prescribed by your doctor. And in case it is BP and sugar is not being controlled, just see your kidney doctor, that is your nephrologist, for better care. So what is dialysis? Basically, your kidney is the filter of your body. It filters your blood. So once the kidney is not functioning, we have to filter your blood so that to remove the bad, harmful products which we call toxins from your body. It can be done by the process which is known as dialysis. It is basically, the dialysis are of 2 types. One is blood dialysis and the other is PD, the peritoneal dialysis. What is blood dialysis is, you have to come to the hospitals. We have got special machines which we call dialysis machines. We take the blood out of your body, send that to that machine which has got the filters in it, which filters your blood, and we send the filtered blood back to your body. So that is dialysis. The other type is peritoneal dialysis. It is for the patients who don't want to come to the hospital for dialysis. So we insert a pipe in your stomach, in your abdomen, and send some water into that, which is a special water, peritoneal fluid we call it, which remove all the toxins and the harmful products from your body through a special membrane, which is a natural membrane, which we call peritoneum, that is inside your body. So either of these 2 methods you can choose, both are equally effective. It is basically patient's preference which method he wants to go. So biopsy is taking a piece of the kidney from the body and checking it under the microscope to find out if anything is wrong with the kidney. So how we do it, it's a very simple procedure. We have a special, you can call it needle or you can call it a gun, which we call as biopsy gun. We admit the patient on the day of biopsy, just make a prick, just like while we are giving the injection, just like that sort of prick in the back. Put that gun close to the kidney and take a piece out of the kidney. So it's a very simple procedure, painless procedure, and patient has to stay with us for about 4 hours after biopsy, just to stay there, drink plenty of water, and once the bleeding settles down, he can go home. So that piece of the tissue has to be checked under the microscope. So the normal duration to diagnose, to study that slide and or that piece of kidney and to report is about 2 days or 2 to 3 days, depending on which center are you located. So if the report has to be sent to Delhi, so it probably takes 1 or 2 days more. Otherwise, it has to be in 48 hours. We generally get the report. So we are talking about transplant today versus dialysis, which are the 2 options available to the kidney patients. So as far as the transplant is concerned, it improves the quality of the life considerably. The patients who are on dialysis, about 20 to 25% of the patients die in 1 year after. During the 1 year on dialysis. As compared to that, only 4% of the people lose their life when they get the transplant. It definitely improves the quality of the life. It improves the condition of your heart. It improves the hemoglobin, that the blood in layman term, it improves that. It improves the calcium metabolism. It strengthens your bones. And obviously, a person can spend a normal social and family life after transplant. So wherever possible, it should be the treatment of choice, and please go for transplant if that is possible. The other thing is you can get a biopsy and find out if something is going on. जो करना चाहिए, because if you get the medication, you can delay this process.
Thank you. मैं ना पंजाबी, मैं भी पक्का पंजाबी यहाँ पर कैनेडा में होगा तो पंजाबी सारे बहुत कोई कहता नहीं। ये जब बात पे जाने का फकरा देने वास्ते फकरा सारे मतलब के बकरियां के पहले मेरे गुर्दे गिनने थे कहते हैं कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा गुर्दे देते थे गुर्दा के पार्ट ऑफ द मटन डिश पता नहीं की गल है कि भी गुर्दे ज्यादा खाना गुर्दे ठीक रहते हैं जिन्हें ये भी विजन भी था हमारे तरफ से थैंक यू वेरी मच सर वंस अगेन एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटायर फैकल्टी ऑफ द मोहाली सीनियर सिटीजन एसोसिएशन माय चेयरमैन माय प्रेसिडेंट both of them are present in absentia. And on behalf of all of you, I express my gratitude to Dr. Sethi Ludhianvi. I give him the title Dr. Sethi Ludhianvi because his books are in Ludhiana. And I am extremely grateful to Rampal. I am extremely grateful to all other people that are interacting with this lecture. And may they prosper, may they grow. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite and Mr. Man, both of them here. They are from Health Pulse Stanley, you can see over here. They are going to address you for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we will go for a cup of tea. So, Gaurav and Mayank, Mayank is a little healthy, Gaurav is a little thin.
Thank you very much, sir, for the kind introduction and stating that I am healthy. I'm trying to get fit. And we like Gaurav as thin as Gaurav is. Okay. Good morning, everybody. We are from Health Pulse. My name is Mayank and he is Gaurav. Basically, we are the health insurance advisors. We have opened a company as Health Pulse. हमने कंपनी खोली है हेल्थ पल्स के नाम से जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में ही डील करती है वो पैन इंडिया वी आर वर्किंग ओनली इन हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस वी आर नॉट डीलिंग इन एनी ऑफ द LIC या हम बोले लाइफ इंश्योरेंस या सेविंग प्लान या कार इंश्योरेंस या कोई भी टाइप की इंश्योरेंस में हम डील नहीं करते हैं वी आर जस्ट डीलिंग इन टू हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस जैसे सर ने शुरू में इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था कि मैक्स इज एसोसिएटेड विद for the kindness of the people, Max always cares for their clients, for the benefit of the health of the clients. So we also take care of the benefit of the client, their health, their financial security. जो ये नहीं जानना कि health insurance होती है, ऐसा कोई है तो please raise your hand so that we can start from that point. कि health insurance होती क्या है? Basically, when we come to a hospital, जब हम अपना इलाज कराते हैं.
This is Dr. Jagdish Sethi, renal transplant surgeon from Max Hospital, wishing viewers of News Today Live a very healthy and productive life. Thank you very much.